Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to look how to make a rotator in Algodoo. First, let us make a new scene. We'll take a diffused one. Now raise that floor. Now first you have to on the grid. Yes. Then go to the left side and there will be a rectangle thingy. Or click that. Now we have to make a rectangle with odd number of units such as 1.5, 1 to 5 or 1 to 7 like that. We'll here create 1 into 7 units here. Now first you have to clone that rectangle. Then you have to turn the rectangle by 90 degrees. Move the rectangle such that it is exactly on the center. Yes, it should be center. You can see here it's in the center. Now first go to combine shapes. There you will see add option. Click that. Yes. Now right click the same rectangle and erase it. Now right click this rotator you have to created. Now go to appearance. There you will have to keep it black, which is the normal appearance for the rotators. Now have to close that. Now right click that plus symbol the rotator. Go to geometry actions. Click the add center axle option. If you click add center axle only, you will get something that can rotate instead of clicking glue to background, in which case you can't even rotate. Okay, now let's click it. First right click this axle and go to axle option. There you will find a motor option. Click that. Now you have to max the motor torque. After maxing it, you have to select the motor speed. Motor speed means how fast this object should rotate. You can see here, as the motor speed increases, the rotating speed also increases. As the motor speed decreases, the less fast it rotates. Now I would recommend for it to rotate around 30 rpm. Okay, now go to right click the axle, go to appearance. A you have to can make it 0 because no one wants to see that axle. Now we can see what will happen if you put the marbles. If you put on that, now go to that circle option, make some marbles. Okay, this is too big, not this marble. Now we can zoom it to make smaller marbles. You can see this motor works, rotator works. Okay, that's good. Now pause the scene. Now what we can do is we can clone this rotators. Yes, now clone these rotators. Yes, you have to I have to put try to adjust. Okay, 1 minute. Yes, now first what you have to do is first try to rotate this first rotator so that it doesn't collide. Okay, select that whole thing, otherwise only axle will come. Put near. If you want, you can off the grid option, then maybe it will be easier. Now put it near such that if it hits, it will directly come that. Okay, now clone this rotator again. Let's go to clone option. Now again you have to rotate this. We can rotate this one right now. Okay, keep it near. Okay, we can play the scene. Yes, we can see that it is working successfully. Okay, now maybe we can make some marbles. Yes, let us pause the scene. Put a one marble, small marble. Yes, we can see that it is working. So we have successfully made a rotator here. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, and that's all for now, and bye bye.